Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Planet Hollywood Casino represents one of the more modern evolutions of the Las Vegas Strip. A property built around celebrity culture, film memorabilia, and high-energy entertainment identity that traces back to the Planet Hollywood restaurant brand of the 1990s. The casino as it exists today opened in 2007, following a complete transformation of what was previously the Aladdin Resort. The redesign shifted the focus from old-world theming to a more contemporary Hollywood-inspired atmosphere, embracing pop culture references instead of classic motifs. The casino floor is one of the defining features of the property. Instead of heavy themed decor, it uses sleek surfaces, bold lighting patterns, and a more studio-style design language. Throughout the casino, displays of movie memorabilia are integrated into the walls and corridors. Costumes, props, and production pieces from well-known films are showcased inside glass frames. This ties the gaming area directly to the original Planet Hollywood brand identity, where film culture and dining were combined into one experience. Beyond the gaming areas, the resort is known for hosting large entertainment production. The Zappos Theatre has been home to major residencies over the years, featuring international performers whose shows help define Planet Hollywood's image as a vibrant centre for live entertainment. The theatre itself is one of the largest of its kind on the Strip, designed specifically for high production value, concerts and shows. Planet Hollywood also became known for blending mainstream dining with celebrity branding. Gordon Ramsay Burger, one of the chef's most popular Las Vegas venues, is located inside the property. The restaurant focuses on gourmet burgers, creative toppings and polished presentation, bringing Ramsay's television famous style into a casual, high-traffic setting. Its presence helps anchor Planet Hollywood as part of the celebrity chef movement on the Strip, a shift that reshaped the dining scene across Las Vegas. The Miracle Mile shops, connected directly to the casino, form another major part of the resort's identity. The shopping area contains more than a mile of retail corridors, with a mix of clothing, specialty stores, and quick-service dining. Although technically its own complex, its seamless connection to the casino floor reinforces Planet Hollywood's position as a destination built around modern, accessible entertainment rather than elaborate themes.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.